Hey guys, if you wanna manage app permissions on the Motorola One Zoom, we have to open the settings for the first. Now we have to go to the apps and notifications, click on the advanced. Now we have the option app permissions, so we have to enter. And now, for example, we can go for the location. And as you can see, our Chrome have access to the location, but honestly I don't want to, so I just gonna click on this marker to turn it off. And you can also do this from every application on the list. So this is how it looks on this device. I hope that it helped you guys, so thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.